Good morning, everybody. This is our patio smoker that we did using a water heater tank. This surface is about 17 by 20 cook space, heavy duty grate. This metal for the water heater in the cook chamber is a 1/16 inch material. We've put in a 1/4 inch plenum in the bottom. The way the reverse flow smoker works is you build a fire in the firebox, and on this it's 1/4 inch firebox. The smoke rises through the bottom underneath of this 1/4 inch plenum and warms up, comes out this side, fills the chamber with smoke, and then the chimney is at the bottom so that the whole chamber is filled with smoke before it exits. The chimney does have a damper on top, so you can close it if you need to. Keep the weather out, whatever. So turn your fire when you're done. This is a look inside the smoke chamber. Sorry, the fire chamber. Has a door, and of course a damper. It's on a cart that has and two